Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video we're going to be doing an eyebrow lamination tutorial. So if you're interested in doing this for yourself or for your client, keep on watching. Here is all of the products that you're going to be needing for this eyebrow lamination, and they will also be listed in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. I will say that this will also be tinting and waxing, so make sure y'all keep that in mind when you see the finished product. Before we get started, if you are already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like button. This is going to help other estheticians to find us. And if you are new here, welcome. I make tutorials, tips, and vlogs just showing my journey as an esthetician and a lash artist. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So this is my lovely client here, and I'm starting off with just cleansing her eyebrows, and that is just one of the products that I use, that the salon used. So you guys don't necessarily have to purchase that same cleanser. There is other cleansers out there, and you will see that in the description box below. Under my eyebrow lamination kits, there's going to be multiple cleansers, so if you want to try a new cleanser out, or if you just see one that's most interesting to you, like the ingredients are to your liking, go ahead and try that out. So it doesn't have to be necessarily the same one, okay? The brand I'm going to be using today is called Thuya eyebrow lamination kit. I don't want to mispronounce it, so I'm going to say Thuya. I don't know, but this is the lamination kit that we have at the salon, and I'm looking at the website, and the whole kit itself is about $89, so about $90, maybe a little bit more with shipping. And this is just what we're going to be using today. I really wanted to review it and to tell you guys what's in the market right now, because I want to make sure that we're not using Amazon eyebrow lamination kits on our clients, because like I said before, a lot of Amazon products do sit there for a long time before they get shipped out, so I just don't recommend it. So this kit comes with the permanent gel, which is what I just applied on her eyebrows, and I'm just making sure that the eyebrows are going the way that I want them to, and making sure that they're going straight. So when I add the gel, it's actually like perming the eyebrows, so I'm just trying to place them the direction that I want them to go, okay? It also comes with the neutralizer cream, which I'm gonna put after, and then lastly it comes with a regenerating cream. So that is what you'll be getting in this kit, and the reviews are all pretty good. They're about 5 stars, all of them. So yeah, it's a pretty good kit, okay? And one thing to know about this product is that it does turn pink after it sits on the eyebrows. So if you are seeing pink residue on your counting rounds, that is fine, that's normal. Just make sure you remove all of that product off of the client's skin. I kept that gel on for about 10 minutes. The product description says 10 to 15 minutes, but I kept it safe, and she also has really thick eyebrows, so I only did 10 minutes on her. So as you can see, after this first step, I went ahead and I cleaned it off. I wiped it off with cotton rounds. Now I'm applying the second step, which is another good thing about this kit, is that it says the steps on the product, so you don't get confused. It's marked 1, 2, and 3, so you know exactly like which bottle is for what. But now I'm applying the neutralizing cream, and I did the same thing. I kept it on there for about 10 minutes, and making sure that the eyebrows are placed exactly where I want them to be. This neutralizing cream is going to keep your eyebrows or your client's eyebrows in place, okay? So make sure the hairs are pointing exactly where you want them to be, okay? I just want to stress that out because that is something that really was stressed to me when I was learning how to do eyebrow lamination. So make sure that you are placing the hairs where they're supposed to be. After wiping off the neutralizer cream, I'm gonna go ahead and map out her eyebrows so that I can tint and do her waxing. A really important thing that I want you guys to know when it comes to lamination is to just make sure like you are taking into consideration your client's eyebrows. Thankfully, my client here had really strong eyebrows. Like she had eyebrows for days. So if you are running into clients that doesn't have as much eyebrows, make sure you're not leaving the lamination or the gel for a long time because that can burn and your client can have a reaction on their skin. So if they don't have a lot of hair, just keep that in mind. Don't leave the product for a long time, okay? And if you are interested in learning more about eyebrow tinting, go ahead and sign up for my online course that I am doing right now. I'm very excited to start teaching other estheticians just on a professional level and teach them all of the secrets and things that I've learned. I used to always get nervous with my eyebrow clients because I was not confident in my eyebrow waxing or tinting skills, but since I've grown, I learned so much and I want to share that with other lash artists who wants to move on to eyebrows. Don't be scared. Take those eyebrow clients. Overall, it took me 45 minutes to an hour to finish her lamination. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. After waxing, it is time for the final step. We're going to go ahead and add the regenerating cream on her eyebrows. And this is just going to moisturize the eyebrows. It provides vitamin E and structure to the eyebrows. So you want to make sure that you add that third and final part to the eyebrow lamination. And here is the final look, you guys. Her eyebrows came out so pretty, so nice, so shiny and fluffy. I was really proud of this look and she loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you when the sun rises. Bye!